Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is a wonderful occasion for me and for the family, as Karan has just introduced us. It's wonderful because I feel for the first time in my entire career of 30 years, I've actually put on makeup for a press conference. It just goes to show the efficiency, the concern, and the diligence with which Karan handles all his projects. Karan was born in front of me. I've seen him in short pants. I had the great honor of working in Yashji's first film under Dharma Productions, which is Dostana. I also worked with him in Agnipath and had the great fortune of, and now this one. Jay and me have felt that working in this production has been one where we felt that this is one large family. We're all members of it. And right from the moment when I turn out Mr. Shah Rukh Khan from my house, I get annoyed with my wife, Jeremy, at the end of this film, but hopefully you will take care of that. Thank you so much for being here.
And as good as my mother, Jaya ji, to say a few words to all of you.
शोले भी मैंने इसी रीज़न से किया था और कभी खुशी कभी गम भी इसी रीज़न से किया है। आज के बाद शायद मैं इस यूनिट के बाकी लोगों से ना मिल पाऊँ और मैंने बिल्कुल जैसे करण ने कहा थ्रू आउट द शूटिंग ऐसे ही फील किया जैसे कि मैं इन सब की माँ हूँ। और एक पिक्चर का डायलॉग है वो मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि माँ ये चाहेगी कि उसके बच्चे जहाँ भी हों जैसे भी हों खुश। थैंक यू।